Hello Quizzers! Quiz Helper here bringing you a new template and tutorial video. Today we have a Would You Rather quiz template in the style of the popular quiz channel, Daily Quiz. The Canva template is free to use and modify for all of my subscribers. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Now let's go over the template and what it contains. Let's go! The Canva template contains the following editable items. The page number button. The title, of course. The two picture option boxes, as well as their descriptions. And finally, the quiz channel tag on the right side. I've included one of my many quiz timer bars as well. This template is a great option for those of you quiz makers that use Canva's bulk create tool. Now let's see how we can go from this to this. First, you add any motion background you would like. I chose one of my own created animated backgrounds. Right-click the video, go to Layer, and Send to Back. I select the page button group and add two animations. Pan right on Enter and pulse on low intensity. I have this element start at 0.5 seconds. Then I highlight the title and change the font to something I like. I chose the Luckiest Guy font and adjusted the size. Under Effects, I select the outline option in black. I then highlight the word rather and change it to yellow. I change the title timing to start after 1 second, and then I click on Animate and select the pop option. Adjust the speed to your liking. Now I select the first picture option and set the starting time around 1.5 seconds from the start. I then select Animate and the pop option. I then select the second picture box and set the start time around 2 seconds. Then animate it with a pop effect. Now I set the timer bar to start around 2.5 to 3 seconds from start. I also use the pop animation effect for both entrance and exit, and adjust the ending of the element to when the timer animation finished. Now I'm adjusting the picture box elements to end right after the pop animation. You'll see why in a bit. I make a copy of the first picture box and adjust the location to match the original, but right after the first picture box ends. I also remove all previous animations. Also, I shorten the picture box to end when the timer ends. For this next part, I use a rectangle to use as a guide for my next animation. I place it right on top of the picture boxes. I now select the picture box I copied and add a custom animation. I hold Shift and drag straight up and down a few times. Feel free to do more or less on your design. Go to Movement Style and choose Steady. Play around with the speed adjustment until you find the speed you like. I now do the same for the second picture box. Same procedure as the first. Let's watch. Now I go back to the first picture box and copy it a third time. I remove any custom animations, adjust the location to match the original, and adjust the element to start right after the previous picture box animation. I do the same for the second picture box. On these last picture boxes, I choose Animate and click on Pulse, but feel free to use any animation you'd like. If you haven't done so, adjust the length of the video background. We are finished, but I have one bonus feature. Go to Elements on the left and search for Thinking Emoji. Click on the one you like to set it on the slide. Then adjust the size. Then we click on Animate and create a custom animation. Click Shift while you drag from top to bottom. Then set the movement style to steady and play around with the speed. And there you have it. Now you created your very own advanced Would You Rather quiz that is ready for the Canva Bulk Create tool. I hope this video tutorial can help you get started on making your very own Would You Rather quiz videos. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know in the comments section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Before we leave, please consider subscribing to the channel to further support my work. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.